Yo, what is good, YouTube? It's your boy SPACETATUM. And today I'm back with another video. As you can see by the left monitor, we are going over stacks. Let's get to it. I bet you're wondering, what is a stack? In data structures, a stack is an abstract data type that follows the LIFO principle, which is last in, first out. It behaves like a physical stack of pile or objects, where you can only add, push, or remove, pop items from the top of the stack, and push and pop they're in parentheses because those are the keywords that we use. So push is to add and pop is to remove. You cannot access or modify items in the middle of the stack without first removing the items above them. All right, so now we got our two main operations. I know I already gave you a little bit of insight on them, but we got push and pop. Push, this operation adds an element to the top of the stack, and then pop, this element removes the top element from the stack. So if I wanted to remove something from the top of the element, I would use pop, and if I wanted to add an element, I would use push. Additionally, stacks often include a method to examine the top element without removing it, commonly called top or peek, but usually we call it top. So key points, I'm just going to be letting you know just a little bit extra about it. So our first one, we have elements in the stack are accessed in the last in, first out order. The last element is pushed into the stack. The first one should be popped off, all right? Stacks can be implemented using various data structures such as array or linked list. All right, so let's go to the IDE so I can show you how to play around with pop and top, and to show you how to play around with the syntax so you can really get a good feel for it and you can really have fun while you code. Yo, I'm so glad that you have made it to the IDE. As you see, I already have my program already coded out, and as you see, we have our stack in my stack, and then we have our my stack. So we're pushing the elements, so 21, 22, 24, 25, and then we even have an integer, which is our number, which is a number in here. So as you see, we have my stack dot push num, so we're pushing the number. So the first of it, or the top, should be 0. So everything right now, it looks like it. So if we didn't have my stack dot pop in these places, everything would be 0 because we're already pushing the number. So since we have it here, so everything's 0, so the first one comes. So it'll be 25 comes to the bottom, and then 24, and then 22, and then 21. All right, so let's see if that's correct. So as you see, everything right here is 0. So we started with my stack num, so it's pushing everything to be 0. So again, like I said, if we didn't have these, I believe everything should be 0. Let's see. Because whenever we're popping it, we're just skipping it or deleting it. So as you see, we see 0. And let's do a reverse. So this should add 21. Or 25, yeah, because that's the first one. That's the first one inside of the next one after the number. So it's coming. And then it should go 25. And then it should basically go up. So then next, the 25 should be here. So it should be 25, and then let's see, the next one is 24. So 25, 24, and the rest are 0. So let's add it. See, look, and it's gonna keep adding up. So we're gonna take the next one inside of the stack list. So it should be 22. So it should be 25, 24, 22. And then we just keep going all the way back up, and then so I hope that you're seeing and actually getting what's going on here. So say for example, if the professor really wants you to know, and she's like, all right, so I don't want to see 24. I just want to see 0, 25, 22, 21. So show me how to do it with deleting 24. So all you have to do in this case is you have to remember your order, because these are not labeled. So you have to remember how the compiler is working, So make sure that your brain is like a computer. So we're gonna come back through here. So we know that all these are zeros where all of them going. So we know that this is now 25 because 25 is at the top of the stack. We know that this is now 24. So we're gonna come here and we're gonna pop it again. So, well, we should do my stack. Not pop. My bad, capital S. So as you see, there's no 24 there. So I want you to keep growing your knowledge and keep playing with it if you want to. Hey, let's go back to the Hey, yo, thank you for watching the video with me, SPACETATUM.
Superstar. Hold up. Okay. Superstar status. Bring 'em in.